Hey guys, Get Level here with a quick video. I recently put out a new overlay pack that's completely free. It's called the Wolf Overlay Pack because, well, of the wolf theme. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks once you installed everything. For the Twitch channel, it's quite simple. You have your banner here, you're gonna have your offline image, and then there's a bunch of panels. It actually comes with about 20 different panels, plus a blank one that you can customize once you've installed the custom font. So, in order to download this overlay pack, you need to go to gumroad.com/getlevel, okay? And then you're gonna click on this. And please guys, even if it's a free overlay pack, I want you guys to always read the descriptions of any product that you're getting online, really. That way you really know what's inside of it and how to customize it, because all the information is right here. Okay, so right here I have a link towards the font where you can download it, top right here, and then install it. Once you've installed it, you're ready to customize anything when it comes to the Twitch channel, but also the overlay in Streamlabs OBS. So if you read in the description, you'll see that I do have a .overlay file, kind of contradicting what I said in my previous video when I said that I wouldn't put .overlay files in free overlay packs. But hey, I had the opportunity, I did it. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the Twitch channel. Okay, once you uploaded everything, I don't think I need to stay here too much. I have another video on that goes step by step on how to customize your Twitch channel and your Streamlabs OBS, so I will link that. And now let's go to Streamlabs OBS. Okay, so if you're using Streamlabs OBS, you are able to use the .overlay file, but if not, that's completely fine because you also have access to all the files that come with the overlay pack. So I already have it installed, so I'm going to click on the top of my scene list and I'm going to click Wolf Overlay Pack. So it might be a little different for you. Once you install the .overlay file, you're gonna have to obviously put your own webcam and stuff like that. So you have all your scenes are uploaded right now. Starting soon, intermission, game scene, be right back, stream ending, and then labels bar. That's a separate scene for the labels bar. For some reason, the top cheer is not showing. One thing I did in order to make it easier to customize, so once you've installed the font, if you would like to have a different wording here, I made it so that all you have to do is turn off the overlay starting soon. And now you have your own text. It doesn't look as good, but hey, this is not Photoshop, this is Streamlabs OBS. But the cool thing is that you can choose your own language here. All you have to do is just type it in. Just double click on the text source and then type whatever you want. And now your starting soon screen is in French. All the scenes already have their alert box, and then the labels bar actually shows up. Let me show you the intermission screen. So this is like the webcam full screen scene. It comes with the labels bar, and then on the side you should have the chat. I think I have the chat box on the right. There you go, and chat box is already there. As you can see, there's a little transition. This is one of the default transitions from Streamlabs OBS, so nothing too fancy. Let's switch to the game scene. And here you will have the webcam with the webcam overlay. So the thing with this webcam overlay is that you need a filter in order to make it circular like that. Okay, I believe in the pack you'll also have rectangular if this is too complicated for you for some reason. But if you go in the camera group and you select your camera and you right click and you go to filters, basically you would have to add a image mask blend if you're doing this on OBS Studio, for example. So image mask or mask, alpha mask, and then you will have to find a file that is the mask4.png. I believe that's it's included in the pack. So just pick this file and then boom, your camera will be a circle. Then you just have to adapt the overlay to it. Boom, boom. Just as easy, okay? And that's the be right back. Same thing with the be right back. You just turn this off if you want to customize it, or just turn it on if you want to leave it on. Stream ending is here, labels bar. And labels bar, those words are also customizable, so follower and stuff like that. If you are not affiliated yet, one thing that you can do on the labels bar is to select it, hold Alt on your keyboard and drag, because you're not gonna have subscribers or cheerers, but you are gonna be able to have followers and donators, and that's it. That's the version of people who are not affiliated yet. So you don't have to display the whole labels bar. I did this for that reason. I put the affiliate things on the right so that they can be cropped easily. So Wolf, all the files are PNG files, so that's like a drag and drop for your avatar. If you would like your avatar to have the same colors, that's another one. That's going to be the background. If you would like to customize this, or even if you want to use this like as a banner for anywhere else, basically if you really want to adopt the whole theme, you can do it. That's the Twitch banner file. Let's be right back. That's one of the camera overlays. That's another one. That's another one of the camera overlays. That's the intermission screen. So this one has a transparent background. That means the camera is going to be in the back. That's the labels bar. It's clean, so you can put whatever you want there. That's the offline image. Of course, there's an offline image. That's just the presentation. Panels, as I said, there's 20 of them, including a blank one. So that's the about, artwork. That's the blank one. So if you have the font installed, you can add it in Microsoft Paint if you have to. Basically, any editing software will work, even Microsoft Paint. I recommend Pixlr, because that's online and you have a little bit more options. But as I said, the video to do this step by step is going to be in the description. It's also linked in the product description. So one more reason to read the product description. So you have all of those. Anyways, technically you shouldn't need more, but hey, if you stream in another language, you have the blank one. You can make your own. Oh yeah, and as usual, that's going to be in the tutorial video. If you want to change the color, same thing. You go to filters, you go to color correction, you add a new filter, go to color correction, and then you're gonna change the hue. Okay, so people that are telling me, I really love this overlay, but it doesn't match my color. I make my overlays in a way that it's like a single color. As you can see, the wolf's eye is going to change with the whole rest of the overlay. So everything is made to match perfectly, so you don't have weird colors because you change them. Okay, you can play with the saturation if you have to. You can make it black and white, all of that. Anyways, as I said, a step-by-step tutorial is going to be in the description on how you can customize, how you can apply them, and how you can customize them. So you should definitely check that out if you're having any issues. One thing I do need to clarify is that this overlay pack doesn't come with PSD files. It doesn't come with .ai files. It doesn't come with project files. Okay, I don't give out my project files because you guys never know which program I use. So asking me for project files is weird because you're assuming that I'm using the same software that you are. When so many people are downloading my overlay packs, it's impossible for everyone to use the exact same software. Okay, but also I've done it in the past. I had a very bad experience. I ended up like I was on Twitter basically teaching Photoshop to everyone because I provided PSD files. Not gonna make that mistake anymore. So you have the background files if you want to customize them, if you want to change the color, all the colors or the same pretty much. The labels bar is blank. You have a blank panel if you want to make custom panels. You should have everything it takes to customize it fully on your own without needing project files. Okay, anyways, I think that pretty much wraps it up. I probably talked way too much. Gumroad.com/getlevel is where you need to go to get this overlay pack, and it's completely free. All you have to do is go there and then put 0 on that little box here and then download the whole pack. Okay, it's completely free. If you're having questions before downloading it, it's free. Just download it. Just download it. Okay, it's a bunch of PNG files. It's not heavy or anything. Try it out and play around with it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the overlay pack. So feel free to leave some comments if you guys enjoyed the overlay pack and if you would like to see more content like that in the future. Okay, I don't have much to say. Social media is probably already up there. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud. Get level out.